It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afeka sebono enchiremu eni. Yansha kesebona siane yansha siem. Free omagana. Yen aposifo enchenye. We Ghana police service for the Kataba Bontain. Akasa echiremu se. Ewomu se. Wanum eguso. Bobain. Ejebain. Ewa boko enempotema. Eno no ewo Upper East regionum. Ewa tifode matendum. Na aposifo the Kataba Bontain. Akasa echiremu. Enam nansenye moda atoyencham ana afenso atata ya dehia wonom ewo boko ana afenso binduli edetata Ghana police for nteno efri neko uyo police ni na oboko ne mpotema bomo na hwe ne yesem u PS Montana MPS Montana ewo mra wontumi enhyantade a yebo utu a entumi emba ho ban afenso ubesi Montana so boko ne mpotema so bomo den sei Bomaden Aboa se obatena omagana posifo ehyenya eno no yatutu oboma entime enka wom eye enedo yada enkitahudiam eye posi sahene IGP eye doctor afi IGP kisentete yohonu dia babonten so echiremu sem wonom etimi abane Ghana Post Service ne sem eye atifido matemu bokode wontumi nante bonso monten so da we dia osra wada emba homaden entisi bonten so elboko enpotem IGP akase echiremu sem na ne dokopia oboko esenka jokwakoba hoba monsem etime konkana so kwaye nom fefu ankotiata na odwaraba mu a oba yachi etuomienu akasa ema etimiakun portfolio mu mienu ewatifode mantemo chiremu sa semu yasi no emu edin ye pa ne senti wanum entimentenase enhwe hansa metutu ankoso oboko na wanum emmo Ghana Police eye service eye adehye ne ma tadwe nti efri neko woni mo say we Ghana Police Service adwumako ni badia enkwana mboko enkoyi a chembe tu nka on sent bomodi ansa wonso boba ho ban mabasabasa yakoso aboko ne potemu no wonso wonkwa entimi kokoda sai mum na Ghana fo baka ya eye post sahene ekopie mboko sen kokobo ma ho ba mansema konkan no ono akasempo ne ka boko embantu ya momodi ehunu mabo ekoto hye so a won ko tutu di bomu nti wakasa kiremu sem sebebetimi abona ho ba moko no atimi abomodi abo ho banti enkwana monten so boko metuo bi enka kaka okram nene enka beto dwase na komo hwade mu sendem portfolio no batumi atena se na wonom aye meeting checherenche aboa na mu kwapon batumi afaso na boko ntokwanom wonom ne hyepede ga komenanso meeting na mo hye no bibinti entimi amaso negusua edi akire beto benkum ene ne faso be no hu chechire nya besom omagana fo yanti mekase de tifi mantem boko de IGP kire mu sem no post ni mensi monten so ewo mra onte post for kemu anase gonom wo hya hoba montade ye botu a etime wurom to ne kra wo do afri etife do mantebe ba yade mo kiremo ese ma nimre
yanto akasia bone so na Ghana fo be kaye obepon so me ne de to so mienu ewo mfimpi mienu ne aduonu num na chese Ghana fo anti asem de san second tamanto janu meja etimi etomu abebre na eja pade ene omunye manina etimi eseye dodo na akoye adoye edi amawom na we die yedom kuma omomra shebedwam abomoden akoye adoye komom 200,000 Ghana cedis na ebe ya beboa na omonso so omaja pade ase no ombetimi edi aye niye na bro mu ko ojomu honom ende de eyo forin so bo so me ne de so so yedunum ewe ye mfimpi mienu ne aduonunum na ye dom kuma afo a okwanchefo dom no Alexander Afenyomakin ede to abanim so momodi ano mum peska enfefre ye contingency eye fan nim se na be ya beboa no modi bi beka no modi abu adwadifo no omososo no omojapade a omahre no monsa ebetimi akabiem owie na oka champion amanyoko ni se eye niema afa amanyoko no no hwe no manko kasa bebre amfa nche eye insemtrofo.
It is a MPP in our Moranho. We are in the man not paying for them in good times and in bad. Ne papa or na ne bono. It's a message. Says Yara on Cherbiara party will be in paying for our constituency, our region, and a national. Ne will be no crack where you flag bearer, no way to Franca. Yes, sir. Party na Yabama, a crew, yeah. Yaba masumdwe yakasem mayankasentia yanwo yawo atros obesi nyina no ya yoba ten kor ni yemamba nti mayankasentia yanwo ma yen kasentia yen wo radio do na TV do yen bom yen yakor na mission one body imprempre there ye wo parliament impanyimfo ze party no wo parliament ahye minimi nuanom edowotwe awotwe yen nseize yeso ye be ye dwumazen yezo bu kasapa na adwenkyira Ghana fubon hu de MPP ya wazo ye on yes botuga ye nkashisha hoba ye nkoku nkrofo hu bi ye be gina wonu korem na ye wanyi sum de so oyo defo ne pia na bibiara otutu ye na MPP fo ye ke ye nyankopon na obayi amanye
Enuachi anadom kuma esade to abanim so monya ne ntem na eye du market eja to mu e wasantimantem no omomomode anom nsi eye dwa no enfema wom.
I take this opportunity to make a humble plea to the government of Ghana that looking at the effects of the situation we find here, obviously the traders are suffering. We know the commitment government made in some other areas. We urge on government to take funds from the contingency fund and immediately and without delay come to the rescue of the suffering traders of Edum.
Blue light.
I know that those here at Blue Light, I believe that within a year, the government is
DLFM
committed
106.9
constructing these stores. Government will be able to do it.
Eniya wuti ye aye Alexander Afenyomark no neda eye dom kuma nanim ewo mrahebedwem.
Yanto aka se won senko piemam ewa atoye matenim. Na meka sei asoye hwe omagana yakwaye so ene Ghana Armed Forces fakabum etimi akwasese yatran yahodo bia enipa bi etumi akwahye wanom enam koti kwan etufu magudie ese omagana yensase ene yakwele mpotem wanom a ebia yomkopie ye nom eya brewa ne nkran a eno no wo eye subiri forest reserve num ewa to emantem ewa ene ebradai ofobusum ofolufso busum ne da toso dunum enfempem mienu ne aduonu enumum na wane mu cheze nkopie bia ho no no enya asem kumo ene akronfo pa ejimpotem aboso no enya asem kuma akra wane mu kirema enipa bi mpo fia mo no nyina behye wono ma wo de nipa bi mpo etimi ebo ba sibra e mpotem honom na empenifo ene nchansefo kase no mu kiremu sem Mam ko piem potem hono mo no yenya asem kumom anipa ne bi afri Nigeria mamu ebesu fri Guinea ebesu fri Mali Niger ene Burkina Faso na ba shem potem hono ma womonam kwoti kwan so na wonom ese wo maga na yensa ase yekua ye ena afin so etufu magudie kwoti kwan so a eha adwenye pam ne mpefo kirem sem be na nkaja kwaya kese a enka ma Ghana dachi be da hono ma edema enkiremene anipa ne bi di hono ma da ne ba sibra atena ya nipa bobu mpim da akwahye wonom a wonom esai ekwaye ne nyina dam enti nana kwabena bosompem ono ya Western Regional Forest Manager ene central focus na o kirem se ye ukopia obia honom a enda meka se no adehia etufu magudie no aya tena ya kese wasisi nuadan na mo tena mu sabi edin semhunu sam o kirem se mebu na kosko no maja school no kom ene besi ba nipa bi edo no mo ba o mu kirem sem emanto no kotu galam se no munya sika pe na ne adwamambo na mo chemai etompam ebo mu se etodwe kirem sem sane mo to na ekoso na ha dwenye pente na o matana ya no mo di jatum asene nyina da o de semtoi ede to central anim.
We are told young girls nowadays do not even want to go to school. They want to be here to make money from the prostitution business. And that is very bad. So today, we can once upon a time, there was a village called Adwoa Agyei, a mining hub, a hub for illegal mining in forest reserves. They managed to build the community and flash up all the miners. In fact, when we were coming, we estimated to be some 2,000 miners, slightly more than 2,000 miners. But today, raiding here in the wee hours of the morning, we estimated more than 10,000. More than 10,000. That's why we could not even effect arrest because the sheer numbers and the volumes of people we are going to arrest do not even fit in our vehicle. And we wonder which jail facility around the Western region can host them. So we just have to raid the community, bend down the equipment, and then make sure everybody is flushed out. It's not going to be a 9-day wonder, as I said. We are going to be here for nearly 2 weeks and make sure the last illegal miner is ready from this community. I've always been sounding a caution, and I'll use your medium to sound a caution. Notice is hereby served. I want all the miners to get out of this community, get out of the forest reserves, get out of our rivers. If you do so, we'll live in peace. But if you refuse and you want to mine illegally in the forest, it's just a matter of time. Enjoy your 50 minutes of fame. The long house of the law will catch up with you. And that's exactly what you have seen today. Notice this here by itself. Get out of our forest. Get out of our river bodies. If you want to mine, do so legally and we'll have no issues with you.
DLFM 106.9.
Any outeko piemu awatemba tenimo nom ene yo penipo da asoye show mangana yakwaye eswo ne din edinana kwabena bosom pem.
Yantua Kasiabone so na endi samanyoko na chitaifo no mubu afuye sanse eye John eye Millie ma omo yi no so na MMC crash wo honom na yade o mapono a omo chire ma yade owura John yi oben MPP amanyoko ni ye pant omo obokoko so omo anyi no amfi honom yade amfimpi mienu ne aduonu wotwe abato no yade a omo ho ebeche omo ye papa na ye owura John yi omo ka so omo yi no MMC crash ewe ye fiada ofori so bo so meni de toso eyedu baako na bra press conference ekoso wo eye kwasiada ofori so bo so meni de toso eye dumiensa anokasamafo ademandi samanyoko na chitaifo mubu afui eye Charles King Lu Elitu Jana Ocheso Mampeni John Dramani Mahama Momodia no yi owura John yi enfefrensa se amanyoko no munkabom ene omumpuntuo enwu hia papa.
We reliably informed that the state security apparatus gathered intelligence during the vetting process that John Millim Nawumia was not suitable for the DCE position and that the state security apparatus filed a situational report to the national security during the vetting process that there would be a chaos in Talensi district if John Millim Nawumia was there would be nominated as DCE. We plead that the President, John Dramani Mahama, demand a further background checks on this nominee and he should demand a copy of the report because we believe the report was hidden from him prior to the nomination. Doing so would not only save the image of the NDC but also ensure to the peace and security of the Talensi district as reportedly highlighted in the report.
Eni ya uti ye kasamafo edema MPP achitaifo mo wo Talensi constituency Charles King Lu na enu echi na ye Enquires central ye mebu no mo so omotai endi samanyoko na echi enso kire sese MC no ma yinu no mo mpe nti sa ban amfa Abdul Rashid Isa so na ye MC ye nya de ometai amanyoko no echi bio.
Your Excellency, we must be blunt. Any attempt to bypass Abdul Rashid Isa respectfully in the selection of the next MC for Okankwe North Municipality will be met with deep disappointment, resistance, and potential demoralization among core party faithfuls. We cannot allow technocrats with no grassroots connection, no sacrifices, to show up and have no base of support to be parachuted into leadership positions while those who toiled in the trenches are sidelined.
Eni ya uti ye endi sechitai formuwa Enquires central na ne krakrem na ye tema metropolitan assembly for mebune wo honom so akomonten so akoye ye kire se ye ibi bright omafa no so na ye next mayor no enya ade omaniji we sanse nkomo akroba mpo a nkomo be fa ne sa
something and say something. This morning we are here with a very heavy heart. One is we've heard the information we are hearing indicates everything that Ebi Bright is supposed to be, or they are going to bring him on board as the mayor of Tema. It's not going to happen. We don't understand. Even the whole process, he wasn't even part of the thing. So how come all of a sudden they are bringing a story into the whole thing? We don't understand. We are not happy. What the youth of Tema East is saying is that we want an indigene. This is the plea of, the traditional council. And I hope this is not something difficult for Mahama, the Excellency, to chip in.
Eni ya uti ye Dora Sapo no gina mebunu nanim ekasa edema wom.
Yantu akwasiabo no so ne momfangura mum. Ewa so ye no ena hwe o magana. Ekwan so kwese dwumadi esom. Mechire National Road Safety Authority for ababonten abekasa echiremisem. Mikasai companies ahodo bi etimi ebom ho omonoma ho dagrum. Etimi ede bebo so akese ka osisi o magana ye kwantempon no ho a. Edu baby asemwe na epantoma pam. Empenifo chirem sem. Edu pempenso ye na do manga na de hye a wanom efa kwantempon so na afin so wanom edi akoniaba e wo kwan ho no e de wanom kwa etime e de to esamum asoya hwe kwan so kosakose dwumade so ekirem sem enanim yata omjo sra da sa assemblies ahodo ni nyina omanga nam babi biada wonim se wakwaji sika ama kwan ma company bi e de wonom billboards akese akọbọ kwan ho asi kwan mesabe kobra ne twam kwan mu a ohun babi biada no wa hwe ni yon wa kwagina mra ne sentim wonom ama assemblies no eye nefu amako aduonu ba ko pe se so no man ko yi sabe boss akese na fro wa kwagina mra ne memra etimi ene moadi ye pam no pani kwankyerefo no ene ye attend letter January edema NRSA Abraham Amaleba akase kirem sem sana moto do manyaka semperifo assemblies na fanya dwa kwagina mra ne memra etimi ene omadi afri sem omutumi trans manimpa bi enkogi sika ni na momfa be boss ahodo akese enko sisi kwan ho e magana de hye bi enkohwe mo nkwankwa odi sem sei edo nsamtrafo anim.
The foot bridges or vehicular bridges, the face of the bridge are not meant for advertising purposes.
Right.
They are meant to direct. So for instance, road signs. And so when you are on the Spanner Junction towards Legon, you will see road signs such as N40, Medina, Legon, Dodua.
Yeah.
It is meant for that. Now, when you put your advertising billboards there and it covers it, then you defeat the purpose for which the gangways and then the footbridge face are there. So we've given them 21 days within which to do that. Failure to remove them will proceed to court for an enforcement order. And so don't be surprised to see road safety against maybe a district assembly or municipal assembly in court.
Ene kwa kramo no ena Abraham Amaleba kasemum ena wasa akire musem onusem nya de tudwa mna mkopie mu e woye underpass eno no wo East Airport e wo East Legon no kohwe ya ye asem asinkra hanim ene footbridges ahodo ana afenso overpass ahodo na manfo bi e de omo party eniema ahodo ana afenso amanfo dwoton de na tinsa sensa ho kire mu se ha dwenye pam edu ba bia road signs ahodo mpo ni ba behwe so no ma hu ni se uduru ha se na wo ye no ni nyina so akata e ba ne sa ne ha dwen ni se ndo akase kirem sem papa so pa homa so ena nim dem ni ye mu ntino omo pese kwan so kosakose dwumadi na kwa nka na afin sa kwansha wo do e koso no eso etumete ntim batu sa na mo we no.
The National Road Safety Authority is mandated to ensure that we reduce the incidence of road crashes, injuries and fatalities. So ever since I took over, it has been my policy to ensure that we meet this objective. The accident rate in this country is way too high, above the international acceptable standards. And indeed, in Ghana, you are likely to die out of road crash or road accident than the sickness, the disease that you are suffering from.
Eni awoti ye ukopie mu awaso ye no ena hwe Ghana akwan so kwese dwumadi esu am Metro National Road Safety Authority for so ya onom ena ye acting director general edima wonom ne den edi Abraham Amaleba nene ena otewie ne yegina we so adan ye ho akwakwaje na boafo enkrato ye ba kase bo no ye beto aso.
Makwantu ohun sam aye medadwen nanso meyensem tronenti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abrani adaje ekenkan ye investigations about womo na mehu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madansi die nie ma menintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na fe krade, Serbia, any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechiri. Ma menchira wo mo etchiri kwan. Sunday Sam's consult e wo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, a wo Ben Wise Park Hotel, e wo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso e ye samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. E manenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse empoase de media.
Yamamo akwaba afia ke kama dwe kire ni bia na ye emfa ensomom wei efri Master Planner Junior Kentampon Ochirim. NDC is not a political party that can develop Ghana. They only think about their pocket and the pocket of their family and friends. They don't have Ghana at heart. Yate, yadase, omo no Ghana for yate. We su free pega benochire me say Ghana problem is NDC yo. Ghana for how NDC amatim. We su for Dr. Downbro and ochire me say I am very optimistic that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will deliver the development we've all been yearning for. And the Ghana for you hear them say Ghana be ye bio. Yate, when su free which I have no ochire me say check Sammy Adwoa Agyei Sikapa. And Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy because more the person no man na enam DJ Ghana fide ni so e we gbetire station ya da se pa senior we su funa na kwame oye opart school new man no kire msem. So the only job JDM and his NDC can offer the youth after voting for them is betting and Okada business. JDM and NDC is just robbing Peter to pay Paul. Ya che da se we su every Baba Mahama boss lo say Ghanaians are indeed suffering under President Mahama and NDC tariffs increment. Galamsey and the NDC is like MTN everywhere you go. Yate yada se pam. We su every Kofi Palmer no chire me sem. Okwa monania asikafo nya yakuafo na Ghana de ba ne sen ene no men kwe nya yaguni ha adwenye pa. Yate se ne won se yada so adwen chire. Ghana ni yaba won chen. So fa na men sofa eniem. Asa na hwe ma Ghana kwese dwumade so chire me sem. Wo hwe Ghana kwantempa hodo so a. Ana afin so eye overpass ahodo na. Assembly senator honom ana ma kwanyama companies bi do mo be boss awoda kwesi wano ma wona nkwanima wo hunu hwe ahyenkafo no mpo hu road science ne senti won ne fom akoma Kwadwo nu ba koma nyifo ko gina mrado ma court etimi acho mo de agu afiase asebo Ghana ne wote a woso mu esen 0534050199 0593406565. Hello Majo.
Sammy Kwadwo Sammy B.
Sa kwade tamako 7 senior me yentu anumre.
Majo.
Meju so sak.
Em say well noted. Say billboard no mu de sisi krum no amakrum aye tan. Nti omu bubu ni nyina.
Okay. Medasi bebre sa kwade wo su betumi abo ediagura mu 0534050199 and 0593406565. Dear CNM National Road National Road Safety Authority for Chirem bed boss ahodo wakwa ho nyina no assemblies ni koyi fante sadama ko gina mra na memra ene wonom edi. Hello Majo.
Wafa ekwanso.
Ekwanso a.
Hey, wafa ekwanso.
Oh, me fa fom na ba ye kasa menyan ko mama asem wo so mu sen.
Oh. Na asem wo die eye pa. Mi wafa. You will be apartment or maybe. No, me yan say, come on, ye, from a boy, ya will be caddy, and I'm sure top, and will be back now. What to Nipanaso? Nipani free one billboard, a cook for baby. It's a family, Japan, the manager.
Okay. Beso me da se bebre ne wa adwen kire. Hello Majo.
Ofa me so ofa fo mboko de ofa no manam
ofa fom me ho ye pa
ofa mi se mo dan so mayo
beta me ye ni mre
enye be board no kwa o wa wo be se be aye overhead no wo mo di posters atetale hu nyina ma ye tan ofa mo mo hwe wa ni nyina no penti no fa na unyim na wo ko wa asofu be ka tro se okura de o ya sa bro ntam enso ofa nye sa na ti o
ka so ya antichrist e no crepa
nti ofa omo wa ni nyina anye no nko a me twe o madwan ba so mbubu yo bo san wa we ni nyina mfiri ho ofo bi nto asoma me wai
me dase bebre wo fa fom. Hello Majo. Ya mi adumo eske dodo ani
dodo wa kwa
bra kwa me dodo asini aba yenti anumre
ayo me pacho ta na bona pe furu turu ya pa
okay
because mama kuma ya tan dodo because taka do kwa me hu bi wo bu bolo ko ka sia pa wo na sabe boy ya me cholo le kwanu okay when you look at na ka bia bai
ke kodia
o mu yi free wa why
okay
ka tia me do artiste
yo Sikapa ojo sika senior so wacha
mejene so
better papa no nom me da se pa bra kwa me dodo a osu betimi apa 05340 50199 and 059340 6565 National Road Safety Authority for Chirimi say bebos awodo wo krom no dos no dunti no assemblies ni ko yi mfiri on titru de sisi kwanten pon nchempe any overpass na ase ne ade no na ebama nkwanhia si usomu sen hello majo
praise
hallelujah
we say assembly for no say man no one on some man or man ko nanim no e say stop on sade no we won jiska gu mbotom na makrum aye den aye tatantani poster ni board e pa on cho yo semra yaduma
okay mesimo das bebre pa senior say wo bai we na kase bo no ye gina we su ne abu no kom say pon officer ya time no enya edi ate ye pam kase bo no mu semufo no eye maze mebel entwene say mu edi emayen kofite de ekopie mu e wo Facebook no so na kenka afonso besoma ni mle no ye mienu edi amejeso ayata kwade Kwadwo krom twebe wo de se konkrom Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B aka ehunso mpone mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yes also hwan na eba
apakan ji
o de na eba
o de sports na eba
enti oba ndi obeti ani
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
enti yes also apakan ji da betra so no be no ene Champions League ne bi da ho Matesa Barca ne team bi kuhia ne na bomoden a na didi ansa why ahia na kwa je
Madrid for no
there be Madrid and am say enye na
wo
no morning ne ho kofi se no enye ne ene Barca ne hwan omoni Dortmund say yekwahye wo mo ho yekwahye wo mo say 4 ena say mo be de ya hye mo 4 ye ne ye hu ye kwa akwahye wo mo asa account we de e kire din ndi Barca ne de ye be san akwahye Dortmund kra asa account ye so small package betna so wo be de akoma so nsem ena de to so mo nyina mo ene tia ade hye
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
Bladagbe wotro gamagbado wotro ya chamegba no sports ye metwogbo no yimenko enyu DL Power Sports mede kuku no wotro ya fibialele melegbodran yo madana gbrona madana mesia mekropomoto fio no chome radio adre DL 106.9 sports dimila ye me no metwogbo na tamede kuku no mgbade radio alegia na nenogia anyami ganyobi tuobole ibo no ko ye Facebook ke YouTube menga bo efia no yo gbekene obeche watashie kun woke sports ni ba egbe DL Power Sports mekpa bo fai gbekene ni ochemoko ni moku akemoko ni mo fiama ke radio afo DL 106.9. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Tuesday evening, we are back on your radio to bring you DL Power Sports update. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that DL Power Sports team is back. We are bringing you the best of sports updates. Abusu amaminyina we so na mema wa jo ema wa kwaba na nwumre baby bia wo bia mrewedu aguri momrante ne branda nwumre yesi enkunya aguri mu nsamawro a yakwakope ede ablesem fo watena se wagebre wawu so asone so kroje ntebeni nyina waye fimni akaedie ose modu otiefu editie se wote ohwefu edihwe se ohwe ne yenso okafo no edi kase yeka aguri mu nsamawro ko twine ko breman nia edi adenchechi adane ebumfumpa ewo Ghana bibrem ni broni kroso ene ya bobo no aturidi DL Power Sports Update and Enquiries baby bia wo bia ye de babesom ye ma wadwo ema wakwa ba ne yentena ya bon sam ne bede a chechire ye besane mu e de agufam e de ama kame won Enquiries ne emfasida kese emfama Lumba ensupa eye nsu abadwama nsu emu ode emote eye kroje kama ebusia Food and Drugs Authority aye ntwetwema dia tum so obepiem wo Ghana na opensu emu ode emote ne kama ko ni peduema emfo ha obia emrodia eno ane Lumba ensupa enti baby bia obia na Enquiries utie me na ohwe me no Lumba ensupa no na mekamfo dia mamo efiefie mo mombobo mo amotontonso traffic mufo water depot kasa muyi nso ene obibia otonso bia Lumba ensupa no ena ton na bibia enye kama emfama odwumadie bia odibia no fa Lumba ensupa no efa somwa hoho na bibia ebe kama bibia fa nso ayanom de eno ane Lumba ensupa no o sign Lumba ensupa na okoye anom for dia eye ejadwo ena ne onsa ebeka enti bomboni apel Lumba ensupa ni bi na bobo mo am wadanso man ene ne mpatem no atadwe matide ne madam abanyameche na kache mobenya bi o appear to lane oben Lumba sport no monsa ebeka madam abanyameche ewo 0557 349 401 ofankone ne mpatem for yenyimumu Madam ayefeno Madam Vic mubenya bi ewo na kache number mubenya Madam Vic ewo so ne 0500 680783 Lumba ensupa no pebia to say both sachet and a bottle water na bobody aborem ewo DLFM nyaso ye ewo nkran Gbogwa Junction yane Wisconsin International University no edi animhwe Ryan reception obabeto abayo bi o ka kire no se ope Lumba ensupa ni bia to obedi wanim na wanya bia to say ye bottle ana sachet ni baby bia obia Lumba ensupa ope Enquiries ana ope bia to a se ne duduo mu kra ye de begu hyen mu ne ya beyidi ama friend numbers we 0555 0 no abo 5 miensa 274757 0555 274757 and 0577 475343 0577 47 5343 Lumba ensupa ekita mu na Enquiries yade agudi mu nsam no edeba from afar menu akwam yefuma ta ekire yade ensam no ede eba champion confitela Facebook and YouTube DLFM 106.9 or the yen atwo mi ameti akunya kasie mo ede ensam no de bro di ameje so no eye ayensu ano de share apakan GH the blessed kiyentie we ba yebesi fama tuja na Enquiries ede agudi mu nsam de asomo
apakan GH we de nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti
wo yanka jangumana ntantan so ana Enquiries yamfa nsam na ma de yanhyase emfa fi yandiem a Ghana yewia na ye de broni crosso de wa manone no ye de apeso e de ama de yanhyase emfa fi English Premier League no na eho na Ghana yen strike FN Antoine Semenyo obo ne bo enra game baako ekemu wo English Premier League no e ba so boboku a ye fe ne Bournemouth omo tena fie echi boboku a ye fe ne Fulham bome kabako a omo entmanti anije samane Black Stars of Ghana striker Yefen Antoine Semenyo first minute in the game no and I usher the only goal no to me the ma bobo ko Yefen Bournemouth na way any 10th goal this season in all competition away to mashem e the ama bobo ko Yefen Bournemouth yere won some e the S20 Abrante no we to me reach double figure goals this season e the ama bobo ko Yefen Bournemouth ya bo e won command ya cho na mom no for some couple of games na Abrante Yefen Antoine Semenyo no to me mfa bon ento na farmer Bonimot Nandra or she go na central for Chibeno and you be sense finally goes no na emba in the abadena ka and or see oh no bompire sheni kuku emu say trade yampo nyankupo ehunu mobonya na dom na goes no emra na osi ne ya goes no abane de ne kuma atoni na nani agie pass finally no ono Antoine Semenyo etume de ball area Adwoa trem area ma Bonimot.
First goal in a while. Were you confident that it was coming today?
Yeah. I've been praying about it for the last couple of weeks. Just whenever a goal would come, just bless me with a goal. And came today, relieved. It's been a while, but again, it happens to every player. So I wasn't too hung up on it. Just do all the basics I can for the team, and then the goal will come. So wasn't any pressure, and it came today. So I'm happy.
Black Stars of Ghana striker Antoine Semenyo and Abusian Watenen Kano. Yemfiwani yemfiye ninchemu our Ghana Football Association akachia. And Ghana Football Association to me ache CAS ama Regional Football Associations awono na eye 4x4 double cabin pickups makuma kunwoche and a Ghana Football Association ejina FIFA forward project sikane so to me dia talkers no de ama 8 of the football regional associations na yede ewonsam the amount na regions na so far o metumi enyo omo de senate Bronx Ahafo Upper West, Central Region, Western, Eastern Region, Upper East, Volta Region, any Ashanti Region, emo shanen su famame, say Greater Accra Region, any Northern Region, or afe eno mokasene nam kwanso eba ebedua, Ghana Football Association, edi besha mpen fonsa, yapo eon komodi amao, enti kas makuma kunwochem, aya 4x4 double cabin pickups, in the Ghana Football Association, ejina FIFA forward project sikane so, edi atokas na, in the Odiama Regional Football Association na yade awon some of them all Kate Edwin Simon Okreku and a Ghana Football Association president Emra or the cast nema 8 RFS no Kate ekasa se cast no amba free sika no mo toye na sika omode toye no $262,224 and a sika omuyi edi FIFA forward money no edi atoka si ande omache edi ama RFS no.
The pickup trucks that you see here today didn't come for free. The pickups indeed cost us money. 8 pickups you see here today cost us $262,224 US. $262,224 US. I hope I got it right. This is how FIFA forward money is used.
Kate, yes, okay, Kwadwo Samson or you just say FIFA forward money na ebano. Omo mfan to second hand cars. Omo mfan to to mattress ni ade. Na FIFA forward money na ebano. Enye sika eba omudisie. Na ninuanom nsentwerefo no besere mo. Se munnim ade a yefe ni FIFA forward money a munkokosia. Na munya isa fake report aya moye edi fasika no ni ade na ya monka no krekakra Kate yes okreku.
FIFA forward money comes in a straight jacket. FIFA forward money is not used to buy second-hand cars. FIFA forward money is not used to buy hidden mattresses. FIFA forward money is not hidden money. And it's important my colleagues in the media to learn what we mean by FIFA forward money. It's important people learn how to report the truth. I've always said that truth would always win the battle. If you lie, lies will come after you. If you lie, lies will come after you. And I'm repeating again. If you lie, lies will come after you.
Kate also kreko no we dey equity pay na obo na nansi ya no mko to cars bi Edema Division 1 teams are acquire second hand cars and once pay bubrujano. And one ayampia and a Kate years of Kreko etono na ene emra Ghana Football Association a check cars dema RFNO. In some Kate years of Kreko GFA president Edituja and a yede amount. Yanko PM1 Semfu from a Ghana National Under 15 coach. Your friend Yao Precom na wakasa ede afa development on or see junior national teams no na omu main purpose and say ye be develop omo into some qualify for AFCON and now World Cup and international tournament bia eno a bonus na momo the main purpose are junior national teams SFA and say you be develop talent 1 year supply the ama the various senior national team any in football in general enti see one junior national teams no o meant man qualify fan major tournament bia aya yan to omo nchene na momo no yem develop your sene be ya omo talent no o mine benya so fa so omo qualify for AFCON World Cup and international tournament bia a bonus na mo man qualify kwa mayan to omo nchene omo development no yamanye ni nkon ya preko.
It's all about development. So if the team doesn't qualify for the World Cup or for the AFCON, we should be able to have a plan B. A plan B how to develop them. It's not necessary. When it comes to the AFCON or the World Cup, it brings a lot. Get there, it gives them that exposure, and their development will take a big step. And then we might get them into the U20, and then some of them will get international contract, and then gradually, we'll get them to the Blasters. But if you don't qualify, and you don't get kind of international friendly matches for them, they come back home and then nothing to be done with the team will just disperse, and then we have to go and build another team all over again. And
ya preko atwane Samson odi tudwa echire won si Nhyiraba Agyei adentina Nhyiraba Agyei oso be piem e Ghana ha banu junior national teams na ya tedodo na under 12 under 13 15 19 1 akosi Black Stars or si enam santino Nhyiraba Agyei development ebekoye enti from inkitu enu no na ye develop na ye promote as a group e de call manim kakran ekosi say ye di ebedu Black Stars enti o si ne no junior national teams awodo na abani enti no Nhyiraba Agyei development of talent ebekoye e wo kroduam a
to the plan B should be move them to the youth. Now we have U18, we have U17, U19, moving them up in a group that they do well is into another another age for them all to be together, and then gradually. They grow together and be an asset for the national team.
Yo Rush Preko Ghana national men's under 15 coach and our Kasa area for development one ya bo e won komo area chom yan remo our Ghana Premier League num na yan bo e won komo emfan chiro dia onim say ye the match day 27 on area guna so far no general start after match day 27 in the Ghana Premier League ni say net ya bo 234 games, home wins na 123, away wins 41, draws are APM 70, total goals are 409, home goals are 267, away goals are 142, first half goals 190, second half goals 219, yellow cards total 732, red cards 33, penalty a yaje area teams no makuma Kwadwo 940 and a penalties a team no ashen 35 emu enum and a teams na bo ato achene and a own goals epiem no du shane nso fama me say so far no ye won 9 outstanding games a ye betumi aba ye de won some area na outstanding games no nyame yadoma ochena midweek ye tibie fiwo eno ye match day 22 ekemo because of ye nuana na pole wo no ochena midweek ye clear fiwo fixtures no of match day 22 outstanding no say net here Young Apostles any Brekum Chelsea bebo FC Samates 1996 any Kara United bebo Brekum na Bechem United any Bobo kwa ye friend baby any Go Stars ebebo Basekoli Stars any Vision FC nebebo Adriana Football Club any Heart of Oak ebebo and a Heart of Lions any Mediama Sporting Club ebebo Nations FC any Dreams FC and ebebo na Accra Lions any Bobo kwa ye friend Asante Kotoko edi ayantam so a ye de awonsam edi amao na ochina games ebeba TV so no Accra Lions any Asante Kotoko na fa TV Metro TV ene na 2 original omo nyina ebeyi ena afenso Aduana Football Club ene Heart of Folk no Globe TV na ebeyi 3 p.m. ena games we nyina beba so channels family so ochina games ni nyina 3 p.m. Ghana time ena ochina games ni nyina etodwa mabo enwon komodi ache table ne de Asante Kotoko dikan 47 points baby any Go Stars toss me 47 Miensa Nations 45 and 9 Media Man 41 enum Heart of Folk omo 41 okwase omo a eda relegation 16th Accra Lions 26 points 17th Legon City 22 points and anso atema omo fi league no dada omo da to a omo 15 points ede won sam ede Emma Toscores no Faiza Chawete Nations FC wato ntrane edu 10 goals Steven Amankuna Brekum Chelsea entrane edu no wato 10 goals and Steven Atakumi baby any Go Stars 8 goals Joseph Eso Dreams FC 8 goals and Alberta Moa Asante Kotoko ono nso ashe 8 goals and so na head of Fortuna games no Evans upon AK Maestro Kasama for the Aduana Football Club or say game we no omo management of Aduana Football Club omo fano serious into ochina omo go pramano omo show bia boss in terms of safety and security no mo di bibia be gugu akwam into wo beba bia no boni bia ento into osre Aduana chita for so ochina monji twi enje chirada emepiem ewo nanajima bedu park na mo be support team no china omo ntwi mekomfansra House of Folk na 3 point no monje
Diana Oja papa they can on the part of management yafa game is a game in papa there is series of meetings but stakeholders are involved a matter most in terms of security the buy sure all and some we say na one stadium I safe heavens at the all clubs and match any exceptional square faswa ye beef up security no match the ben strong koso how we aba bia no assure say na one stadium the safety absolutely guarantee we as club on yes bia your club no supporters leadership a series of meeting out draw the road map supporters no more in their numbers mo bia and so say the safety not intimate guarantee bambosem ebekwa nimu papa quite apart from that
Evans upon AK Maestro Twanin Samson odi tu just House of Folk team no omo Aduana Football Club ewo buo soronko e de ma omo eba ne nyama o metumi achieve na momo no omo de sade ne beto nche agopra ne so de omo nya obuo bi amfama House of Folk esanse mranti edubako e na omo nyina edisi aka se be ye mfie nan ni Heart of Folk entumi nche Aduana Football Club ewo doma na najima bedu agopra ne so ochina sa history no ebesan so repeat ne ho
yakolusu wo Karo United yaba ye bae no anya results and expect no by playing against House of Folk you respect you a lot in terms of achievement but he respect you on a field of play no anya di ha there is respect be mo yin ni pa ba ko e wo park no so ayi na yisu na mienu be say me nka the last House of Folk share the Aduana Football Club more than 4 years ni has intimate share that and definitely abaku sembe to aso
Evans upon AK Maestro kasama for edema Aduana Football Club no waten nka no chna wo kwando no Heart of Lions ebetena fie no mo de media madia boani na coach ye friend Ibrahim Tanko Anyas coach edema Boboku ye friend no Media Sporting Club osi ochna bando no mo kona enye mre emu be ye deni nanso no ombe try omenya win kra no draw na 1 point omodiaba Ibrahim Tanko.
I mean, we are going to do our best, and there is no assurance in football. Definitely, we are going there to take a point or to win. And I believe that the boys are now clear in their mind that we can also win away games. So definitely, we are going there to come out with something.
Ibrahim Tanko coach the man media man watenenka Derek Kwadwo enso ye player the man media man osi ochna omo ye determined emranteni nyina kwambia so ombeje 3 point no Heart of Lions omo fie na omo je sa 3 point na beboa media man emo matuma je leg no
ala ye di yon komana woni say Ghana Premier League there okwa we a na easy so who players no say man sai kemo na muna obi anytime say aye call for win and say be call for say be a victory like Abraham into no ye na this away match ready ye na obi a at the time say you call for 3 points because ye nyasa 3 points na be boy am betima e win leg no.
Derek Kwadwo a player the Nhyiraba Sporting Club and where to me attending kana Kasi Mingo can say ochina oni dream sesi enebo or say omaye prepared for game no dream sesi oni mi say omo so started pick omo pieces no together na momo no omo ko lusu against Nhyiraba nti omo de ne bre eneba game we mo nti say Bobo ko F Nations FC epese omo wini dia aje omo ye adwuma dene ansa na omo atuma nya nkunimdie no edi etia dream sesi ochina Kasi Mingo can say Nations FC coach
players and have bring the confidence back that we are on track. It's unfortunate they lost their match yesterday to Nhyiraba. Now I always say football is a game of uncertainty. Nobody could predict Nhyiraba will beat Dreams 4-0. So that's why we have to prepare very well. Because they lost that game and they are coming, they want to come and redeem their image. So it's going very, very, very tough. So we have to work harder to overcome them. Oh, we are still preparing for the game. Oh, this weekend we did not play, but we played some friendly match to